Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. So today I'm going to be unboxing a tablet. It's a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite powered by Android. This one is 64 gig memory with 4 gig RAM, and the screen size is 10.4 inch, and this one is grey, Oxford grey I believe. Looks very nice, nicely packaged up. And it comes with the S Pen, by the way, as well, so that's something to look forward to testing out. It's a Wi-Fi version, and it weighs 499 grams. It has a front and rear camera. So let's open it up. Nicely packed. Take it out the sleeve. Wow, look at that. That looks nice. There's always something about brand new product when you open it up. Looks amazing. So we have the front camera here. You can see the bezel all the way around. And this is Oxford grey. It's very nice. At the back here, we have the rear camera there, which is 8 megapixel, and we can see it's 64 gig, this one. Very light and thin, perfect for on the go. So we have the power button here, volume rocker there, and we have a mic here, and then we have a storage slot here. And then on top we have speaker grill there, another mic here, and here we have a 3.5mm headphone jack. And if we go round all the way, at the bottom here we have the USB-C charging port. We have another speaker grill at the bottom. So at the top here we have an antenna band going all the way down. It's quite discreet. And then here again at the bottom we have another antenna band going all the way down, and it's quite discreet, you can't really see it very much. Just to mention, the speakers are tuned by AKG, which should deliver high quality sound. Just love this back color, and it feels really nice and smooth. It's not slippery either. Feels robust actually, and it's something that you can use it on the go all the time. Before we turn it on, let's quickly see what else is in the box. So here we have a power brick, and this one is UK standard. USB-C cable, and here's the S Pen. Very nice. Have a flat surface here, and then we have the click button on the round part. Tip is quite firm. Okay, let's look at the box here. So in this one, we have a ejection pin here, and that's probably for the storage slot. And then we have a quick starter guide and warranty card. I think that's it, there's nothing else in the box. So let's turn this tablet on and see. Hold down the power button. Here we go. starting up. Here we go, we're all ready to go. For a tablet, and 8 megapixel is very good. You can see the colors, and actually you can even see the shine of the glitter. Okay, so let's use the Samsung Note app and see how the S Pen works. I like this S Pen. It's almost same size as the Fold, I think, or maybe slightly bigger. Let me have a check. So this is the Fold S Pen. Let's try check this. Yep, it's slightly longer. The Fold pen is just a tad bit bigger, I think. Maybe no, I think it's the same size. But there is a difference on the flat part. The click button is on the flat part of the Fold pen, but on the S Pen for the tablet is on the round part. It's very good. Very smooth and fast. It's almost like handwriting on paper. I'm not an artist, but it's obviously a fantastic device for artists and perfect for students. It's very portable, great for handwriting, notes, meetings, etc. There are various ways of converting handwriting into text. You can write your full sentences, then convert it into text, or you could do individual letter recognition. I absolutely love the shape recognition features. It's very helpful as you can easily convert quick, messy hand-drawn shapes into perfectly drawn shapes. So as you saw, the S Pen is really good, and there's so much you can do with the Notes app and the S Pen. Let's look at YouTube now. Put it on mute. Put it on mute just so we don't get copyright strike on it. But as you can see, it looks really good. Okay, so if you'd like me to do a detailed review, leave a comment down below and I'll do that for you. And let's look at the case now. So this is the case for the tablet. I'm going to unbox this. So it comes with straps and the case. This is from a company called JLC, and you can see the logo here. It is actually a very tough, robust case. See, this is rotating, and here that's a hand grip, so you can actually put your hand in like that, keep it. So this is probably most helpful for especially on-the-go businesses. And then of course that acts as a kickstand as well. So you take this off and use this as a kickstand. For the moment we'll leave it closed so I can show the rest. Got the camera hole here. And this material is actually really very nice. It feels really nice and smooth. It is rubber, that's how it feels, but I don't think it's rubber, it's plastic, but it does have that rubbery feel to it. Here you have the S Pen holder, At the top here we have the speaker grill cutout. We have a little hole for the mic, and then we have a little cutout here for the headphone jack. And we go all the way around. At the bottom here we have a cutout here, or you can remove the rubber bit here for the charging port, and then we have another speaker grill there. And on the side here we have the volume rocker, we have the power switch, and we have a mic, I believe, here. And then at the front here you have the camera hole cutout, and here, I guess if you have a camera on the side, you have the cutout here as well. Some information about the case, instructions, and you can see you can use the kickstand both horizontal and vertical, and then you can use it as a palm top on your hand as well. Shock proof, break proof. If you drop it, it's not going to break. Okay, let's open this up. I've never opened one of this before. I think you just take all the rubbers off, I guess. There we are. Several ways of using it, including with the straps. Okay. So it's a heavy duty rugged case. At the back here, okay, this little cutout here is for strap connecting position, and those slots cut out, these are all dust proof and splash proof as well, and camera protection as well. Okay, and then a quick instruction how to use it. This would have been better if it was outside, so people would know better how to open the case rather than being inside the case, and then I'm struggling to open it. Tablet goes in there. Let's try this actually. It's good actually. Okay, so let's put all the rubber section in. Part. Perfect. Now you can walk around all day. This one fall off your hand. Twist it around. Fantastic. Great case, very heavy duty. Perfect for any business or outdoor use without having to worry about dropping an expensive tablet and breaking it. Let's check out the strap and see how that looks. The strap is to carry it around the shoulder or the neck. So I'm guessing this is for threading. The strap is quite heavy duty, very strong. Okay, so I should have put it in before I closed it. So now it's going to be quite difficult for me. Okay, so anyway, it was quite difficult to take this case off and then put it back on, so I'm not going to take it off again and put it on for now. So this is the strap. It's actually a very nice strap, very smooth and very strong, like really strong. And then here you have the elasticated bit where you attach it to the case. You have the option of extending or making the strap shorter, depending on, I guess, individual heights and preference. And that's the other end. That's the strap for you. Sorry guys, I completely forgot to take the sticker off and the top coating off, and hence why it's looking a bit blue. I'll just show you, I'll take it off and then I'll show you how it looks without the top coat and the sticker. So this is how it looks without the sticker and the top film off. You can see it's clear. Looks good. So that's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a like and comment down below with any questions, and a subscription to the channel will be much appreciated. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.